and start to get ready to rip the OSB for the Soffits. It's funny, I keep telling myself, oh, you know what, I'll do that when I come back, or I'll get to that later, or I'll do that on my next trip. And I'm thinking, get back from where? Get back when? I am back. This is it. And granted, I still have sort of a home base at my in-laws, but it is kind of funny that I keep just thinking to myself, I'll get that on next trip. And I'm thinking, this might be this is the trip. If not now, when? But I'm basically gonna rip this OSB down for underneath these soffits and underneath the eaves, or whatever you want to call them, the gable soffits, gable eaves. Basically what I'm going to do is, that is 26 inches and my ridge vent is 3. Really it should be 2 to 1, so this would be a 6-inch this would be a 6-inch vent to the 3-inch gable vent, or I'm sorry, the 3-inch ridge vent. But I think I'm going to make this 8 inches opening, that way I can rip the boards down to get 5 pieces. I think that makes sense. We'll see what happens, but the idea is basically to rip them all down on the table saw, and then I'm going to set up the compressor and the gun and start getting everything shot in, and that'll be good. Like I said, hopefully the roof goes on this coming weekend, and I'll be one step closer to start getting some soffit material, because really what I want to do is get everything flashed right away. The wood's been sitting out for at least 5 months now, and it's been doing really good, and obviously the water just runs right off, but between the sun and the cold and the weather and stuff, it's really been taking a beating over the past few months. So the sooner I can get some flashing on, the better. So this will be one step to get us closer, and I don't know if I said it earlier, but there's some bees up in there, so I'm trying to close this off so that we can keep some of these smaller critters, and sometimes the birds get in there and can't get out, so I just want to make sure everybody's good and try and keep out what's supposed to stay out. So this will be one step to get us that much closer. Hey, it's been a good couple of days. The weather's been really nice, almost too hot, but got a ton done over the past couple of days. I think I had said earlier that the roof was supposed to get done this weekend. Unfortunately, that didn't happen. I'm hoping for this week or this weekend, but was able to get all the insulation installed, give or take a few areas that I need to leave out to get the pipe through the roof. And also was able to get the soffits all closed in. I don't know if you can see, but so that's the vented soffit, and then there'll be a vinyl soffit material that'll go over and then closed up the gable ends. Yeah, so like I said, good couple days, and I have to. So I don't know if you can even see up in there, but I was able to get the insulation all done. Let's see if I can go up and see. So for the most part, you can't see anything up here. Sorry. Well, for the most part, it's all insulated up here. Give or take a couple of the bays in the back because I ran out of the rock wool, and then a couple bays up here. There'll be a door here and a door here to get into those little kind of knee wall areas. But yeah, it's nice to have this kind of buttoned up. I mean, for the moment, that way at least I can bring some empty boxes up here and clear out some space down here in the house. But all is good. All is good. Now it's going to be a few odds and ends, and then figuring out a way to get started on this other building. But should be able to kind of wrap up like the Nauer plates, some gas line stuff. I want to wire in a couple things just so I know they're terminated. And then a few other oddball things. I have a few other pieces of insulation still to stick in. And then it's kind of, it's go time on that other building. So we'll see what happens. But plenty to do. Stick around. I'm doing the best I can videoing, but I think I need to get a little bit better at it. So we'll see. I'm trying to use 2 different phones now instead of the action camera because that's kind of a pain in the butt. But we'll see how it works out. Slow and steady, right? So slow and steady stays the course. What's up, little guy? You okay? Oh, good. You good boy, bud. Happy birthday, buddy.